Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Well, today is a short video of the wigs I wore in May. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like and subscribe. Also, every month I do a short video like this where I show around 10 wigs that I wore in the previous month. Now, this is not a wig review. If you would like to see the full reviews of all these, just go to the search bar of my channel and type in the name of the wig. I will put the wig name and color up above here somewhere, and all you have to do is search my channel and the full video review will show there, which will have inside of the cab discussion about color, permatease, everything you need to know. This is not that. This is just a quick overview of some of the wigs I wore in the previous month. So let's get started and look at the wigs I wore in May. Okay, this is John Renau Ignite, and this color is Strawberry Syrup. Now, of course, Ignite is one of the most popular styles from John Renau. It's been around forever. I hope it will continue to be around forever, but it is just so wearable. So many people like this. I think it's perfect for the summer. Has a nice nape on this. I like the shape of this. You can wear it behind your ears. Has this long sweeping bang in the front. There is permatease, of course, but like I said, if you want to see the full review, just search on my channel. I think I have a review in several colors, but this is John Renau at night. This is Wille Ferrara. It is Bahama beige shaded. The shag is back, y'all. This has been so popular. This is an older style, but we're seeing so many shags coming out this year. Lots of movement here. Beautiful Wille fibers. You know, if you've watched me for any time, you know I'm a fan of the flippy ends. I love wigs that have flippy ends. I like the movement. They look and feel really natural. This is just a fun style, Wille Ferrara. All right, this is another classic. This is Aesthetica Designs Mellow. Now, this color is Iced Mocha. I have Mellow in, I think, 3 shades. It is so popular. Let me know, have you tried it, and what color do you have it in? As you know, I've been showing you different styles and colors over the last year. That was my promise to you, and I think I've kept it. I've showed you brunettes, reds, blondes, everything in between, and I'm going to continue to do that. Let me know if you've tried this one, Mellow. All right, this one makes my lineup every month, I think. This is BelTress, this is Peppermint, and the color is Root Beer Float Blonde. You know what I like about this? I like these little choppy ends. Now, BelTress came out with Santa Monica. I fell in love with it. It is very short. It's like Leomano 2, that kind of look with very blunt ends. I love it, love it. I like the choppiness that is on the ends of these bangs. Just something I enjoy. But Peppermint, another well-known wig. Lots of people love it. Straight, low density, nice longer style. This color is so pretty too. Root Beer Float Blonde. This is a style I seriously have had for years. I continue to wear it. I continue to love it. I like the style of it. It almost reminds me of what we looked at Ignite earlier. This is Wille Divine Silver Blonde Rooted. I like this neckline on this. Again, fits really close to the neck. Any way you move your head, this is not going anywhere. But this is just another low density style. Can be worn just out of the box, ready to go. Now, this is an all-time favorite for probably most of us. Raquel Welch, Straight Up with a Twist Elite. And the color is Shaded Cappuccino. I mean, what can you say? It is a classic. The Elite style is so pretty. It's so comfortable and easy to wear. I mean, there's just not much not to love about this wig. I like this movement here. Has enough fullness in the back, but there's a lot of movement. Now, there is a good bit of fiber. As we know with Raquel Welch styles, there's no permatease here. This is an elite, but there is a good bit of fiber. So it looks, you know, it's full. I love it. I think it's beautiful. I am so glad. The only problem is I need this in more colors. I think Gabor makes some of the most beautiful reds. I think their reds are just beautiful. This is Timeless Beauty, and it is SS Rusty Auburn. Has a little bit of a bang here, long sweeping bang. I think this would be really cute with a wispy bang cut all the way across. I haven't done that on one of these styles, but I think it would be really pretty. This color is so pretty. Look at the highlighting here. Really nicely done. Comfortable, beautiful, beautiful style. Do you still love Alva as much as I do? Every time I wear it, I think I need to grab this in some more colors because I'm afraid they're going to stop making it sometime. This is Alva, and the color is Creamy Toffee Rooted. You know, my very first wig was Noriko Corey, and it was in Creamy Toffee Rooted. I've always loved this color. I will always love this color, but I just think Alva, if you like bangs, and a lot of people do, this is just a beautiful style. Easy to wear. There's permatease here now, of course. If you're not a fan of permatease, this is not your wig. But there is permatease in this wig, which I personally like. But I like, still, I don't feel like it's overdone. I don't feel like it's huge. I just feel like it's a really nice wearable bob. Nice length. Nice silhouette, beautiful shape. There's just nothing I don't like about it. Tell me about it. Have you tried Alva? Okay, this is Scorpio PM, another classic. I feel like we've really seen a lot of classics in this video. This color is Tomato Bisque, and what I love about this color is this bold highlighting. I think it's so cute. Trendy, not too trendy, but look at this color. It is just, I love it. I think it's so, so neat. Of course, it's available in lots and lots of different shades. Yeah, I like it. I like how the bangs are on this wig. Beautiful thick bangs and a nice shape. Another winner. This just recently released. This is Envy Charlotte. This color is Sterling Shadow. Now, let me say first, I totally respect your opinion if you do not like the dark roots. Many people do not. I personally do. I wear this more as a fashion color, but I understand a lot of people don't like the dark root, and I do wish a lot of the manufacturers would offer both, because it's not for everyone. But this color I think is so pretty. I like the style. I think they hit a home run with this style. Lots of beachy waves. The fibers are so soft and pretty. And this one does come in a variety of colors. All right, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me some messages. Have you tried any of these? If so, which are your favorites? What are your favorite colors? And I will see you again very soon.